Yes! Aaron, I don't think I've ever been more excited for a video in my entire life.
Me neither. Pre-owned Nintendo Switch GameStop power to the players. What do we do with this? Play it?
Yeah.
Plug it in and play it? Do you think this works? How do we verify?
By putting trucks on it.
No. I think we actually need to plug it in and see if it actually works. Wow.
Oh.
What do you do?
But we just.
How does this work? Is this it? Gabe has decided that he would like to keep this.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Wow, like that?
Fortnite skateboarding.
Wow. I
need to
kind of
keep
want to
these.
verify that this works. How do you turn it on?
Oh!
Nintendo.
It is dead.
Oh, the battery.
Through it.
We're just going to charge this up real fast and see if this is actually a working Nintendo Switch. Is it charging?
charging.
Wow, it's charging. Do you think it's better to drill into it when it's on or when it's off?
Definitely when it's on.
I think we let this charge for a little bit and come
these
back
are
to
the
it.
things.
All right, well, we just took a short break, filmed 73 videos, and now we're back, and I think this thing has charged. We're going to pull that out. What just happened?
It works!
English. Oh, we're in the Americas.
Do you feel bad about this, Aaron?
I feel really bad.
This is a fully functional Switch skateboard.
Here's the question, guys. Do we put the trucks there, or do we put one part of the truck there?
I think you need to put the truck here and here. These are probably not going to stay on very well.
You mean like that?
Yeah, exactly.
Like through there.
So it holds both of them.
Those are broken.
No, we cannot use those.
Why? Can you go grab me 2 small pieces of wood? I think there's some in the corner.
I feel like you're just joking and you just want me to leave.
Do you feel bad about this?
No, I play Xbox One.
It's been a long time. Oh! It's been a long time since we've done an episode of Skateboard Everything. I'm personally glad that it's back.
Are switches known to explode?
Well, I
find
think it's
out.
the lithium-ion battery.
It's not even on the wood, just letting you know.
I know.
Bob the Builder. Boom! Didn't even get me. I have my safety goggles on, so I'm not afraid of anything.
R.I.P.
Oh! 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 I don't like that smell. No, man. Oh, no. Oh! It's still working.
Oh, wow, it's hot. It's hot!
Is it really?
Feel right there. It's not that hot, but just feel it. You don't feel that's hot.
Not yet.
You do not feel that that is hot. Do you feel that's hot?
That's warm.
It's warm. Okay, maybe the correct word was warm. Is it going to be making noises after this?
Uh-oh.
It's.
Oh, it's smoking.
Oh, no.
No.
What do we do?
We should bring it outside. No! Why does everything catch on fire nowadays?
Is it going to blow up?
I don't know, dude.
Open the door. Maybe we should have done some research as to where the battery is. Oh yeah, we're through. We're through, baby. Wow!
Look at those holes.
Still work?
Power?
Just After Effects.
Boom!
All right, that one got me.
I mean, it is Skate Everything. When you start a series like Skate Everything, you don't be like, we're gonna skate some things. No, it's everything.
What if it just blows up, dude?
If it blows up and I lose both of my feet, I'll be really disappointed.
Look at that precision, Aaron.
Oh yeah, we got it. There we have it. I know, then there's gonna be a bunch of comments that are like, you guys are way too late on this. At least a year. Woo! Okay, it's definitely sketchy because the sides come off and it feels like they're gonna come off at any second. Oh man. At first, like drilling into it was one thing, but now actually skating it, it actually kind of makes me feel bad. Oh no, see? See how it's coming apart? Oh yeah, baby. Woo! Going up and down anything is like so scary. Wow, I've never skated anything so hard. I think the iPad was definitely easier than this.
Oh, wow.
This is not what I meant when I wanted to play a skateboarding video game, Aaron.
This isn't what I meant when I said I wanted to get better at Switch.
Can we play Mario Kart after this?
Yeah. All right, you're up.
You go, Underlord! Underlord Kraylon! Kraylos Mashana!
Oh my god. Hey, that's actually really hard to ride.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah, baby!
Oh, hell no.
Dropping it on Switch!
Yes! Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, the switch!
It still works.
Is it all right?
It turned on.
Wait,
Watch
we
me.
have damage.
Carlos is like over there bleeding. We're like, is the switch okay?
Ow, that hurt.
You ready?
Yep.
Oh no.
Oh, Aaron! Oh, had it. You got it, dude. You got it.
Okay, right.
Oh, yes! What do you want if you land this first try?
I want for you to kickflip the 5-stair.
I already did.
Exactly.
Heel flip.
Heel flip?
heel flip.
No, I ain't gonna put that on you. I think you could tray flip it easier than heel flip.
Tray flip is a good one then.
Tray flip.
First try, first try.
You ready?
Yep. Oh!
I only had one try, that was it. Dang, I really want that. I got this though.
Uh-oh, we have some separation.
See, we knew that was gonna happen. Fetty, give it a go.
As it's broken. Oh yeah, give it a go.
Oh no, Fetty, you break everything! It's like,
That was
I
your
worked so hard to put this.
Carlos, do a handstand finger flip. Yeah. Yes, this is what I'm talking about.
Let me see if it flips. Hold on.
Oh yeah, baby. Underlord Cthulhu, right here. He's got this.
Bad idea.
Should we just fix it?
Oh.
How are we gonna fix that? You're gonna move it down.
Yeah. Should we?
Yeah.
Okay. So I got this thing, it's stuck in there, trying to get it out. First try, no problem.
Well done.
We're gonna take this off, we're gonna move these down, and we're gonna continue skating on the Nintendo Switch. Wow. I'm so good at this. You guys smell that? Good. Okay, Fetty, right here, first try, monster flip, $100 cash.
Shake on that.
Should we just monster flip off? Oh!
That was good, dude.
Redonkulously close. Yes. Oh, good.
Yeah, dude, the screen is not broken.
Yep.
That is amazing.
Well done, Nintendo. Dang.
Why?
If you could monster flip a gold play button, you could do this.
You got this, Overlord Craylon.
Oh, Aaron!
I'm rebaiting that. I'm rebaiting.
Oh my god! That was insanely good, dude.
No toe drag, no heel drag. We out here. I might just retire my entire skate career on
That
that.
was the best one you've ever done.
Yeah, definitely.
For historical sake, I just want to stand on it to say that I have skated a switch. How do you do that?
I know that you play Switch more than anyone I've ever known. Does that upset you? Are you upset?
No, I have mine in my office. I can play it afterwards.
There you go.
I know, what sick joke would it be if they actually been skating mine the entire time? Oh, hey. Carlos, I really want to see that handstand finger flip. I'm not going to
Oh,
lie.
I forgot about that.
Yes, handstand finger flip god, Craylon Pastroni.
I don't think it's gonna work.
Wow. Oh! What is your trick for the video?
I don't know. I don't know if I got one.
Oh! We fully have to take into account how amazing that glass is.
Actually, look at this.
Wait, seriously.
Let's just do a little comparison really fast. That versus that.
Because the iPad cracked immediately after drilling through it, didn't
Right. I wish we could see the other side of this.
it? Oh, it's
well.
done.
But this is like going nowhere. Not a single crack. Wow. Let's give
And
it up for the
Carlos
Nintendo
literally
Switch.
handstand finger flipped it.
This is a great angle.
Whoa! Uh-oh. What is this? No, Carlos, oh my god. Please don't put that in your eyes. Oh, yeah, Fetty.
Well, we can put it next to the claw.
Oh, my hand!
Control those hands.
Switch inward heel flip.
Come on, Underlord Craylon, you got this. Wow. Control the hands.
I'm prediction 5 tries. Nostradamus.
No!
See that?
You got this. You got this, Carlisius.
Dang, Carl's doing the switch.
Oh! Come on, Kraylon!
Let's go, Crayon.
This reminds me of those Olympic things where they're on the bars and then they flip off and they're like, and then they land like,
Switch handstand.
It is fully bending.
Putting the cheat code in. Hold on. Right there.
Hold those hands back. Oh! Come on, before it breaks. Before it breaks.
I'm gonna land bolts. Dude, I'm like struggling through this one. I knew today was gonna be hard to skate.
this one right here. Braille's first ever full-length movie, Carlos versus the Nintendo Switch handstand finger flip start. Wow.
Stay in the game,
Wow.
man. He's got this.
Wow.
He got this.
Yes! Kraylon Pastrana!
Just amazing!
Jeez, that was really hard, dude.
All right, well, that was really sad. I am glad to have landed at least one trick on it. I think at the end of the day, this thing is going to have to be immortalized on the wall. For all of those Nintendo Switch fans out there, I'm sorry to have to put you through this. It was not easy, but it had to be done. If it makes you feel any better, we did get this thing fully used, and it wasn't too expensive.
Dude, that is incredible.
That's what we have left of it. That is actually really incredible that the glass is still intact.
It is a historical day.
It is a historical day. We've done it. We've completed it. We have finally skated a Nintendo Switch. We're really excited to get back into the Skate Everything series. We hope that you guys are excited to see us make them. Please leave in the comments below what you would like us to skate next. We're sorry that we had to break this Nintendo Switch, but now, truthfully, it is immortalized on the wall of the Braille house. So I think at the end of the day, it's really worth it. Thank you, Nintendo Switch. Please watch all the other videos in the playlist. There's a lot of them, so have a ton of fun watching those. And if you're not already subscribed, subscribe, like, and leave those comments below. What should we skate next?